Akron Police and Fire, Tech 170.
Well, not a long story, but I did a report of theft.
Okay, what's the address where you need police?
Ira Avenue, Akron, Ohio.
What was stolen?
My car, my son, he stole all my credit cards about the 14th of February, last Friday, and he disappeared until now. He's been staying with me about a week, but he actually lives in Cincinnati with his mom.
Okay.
He just came here, it's the first time seeing him since he took my credit cards and ran off last Friday. He just come in here half an hour ago. And I don't know, he's in some kind of stage. But I tried to talk to him. While I went in the bedroom, put the clothes on, he ran there and got my keys to my car and took off.
Any idea of where he's headed?
No.
Well, I'm going to get police out to you as soon as possible, okay?
Okay.
Chase. We're going to be north on Lake Shore.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Okay.
Shots fired, he just took 2 shots at us. He just lost him.
Alright, that car just still going. He's going to be making an eastbound turn onto Lake. Sorry, eastbound turn onto Ira.
All car standby.
Okay. Drop the gun! Get down on the ground! Alright, he's got a gun in his hand. He's right in front of the house. Alright, it's a 21. He's shooting. He's going to be taking off running.
He just took 3 more shots at us. He's on foot. Brown leather jacket, hands.
You got a rifle? You got a rifle?
No. He's running eastbound. Oh, no, Ira.
Alright, stay.
He's responding.
I'm coming back. Get.
Signal 21, 294 Ira Avenue.
You stay there, son.
That's my phone on the route.
Hey, anybody with a rifle, get up here. Rifle, get up here.
Drop the gun, buddy. Drop the gun, buddy.
Alright,
Police shots fired. He's down. Show signal 21. He's down. Right in front of the cruiser.
go around that way. I would go far.
Get in this. Let's just move this. Or I'll get in.
I would go around, come at him.
Get behind the car.
All right, moving up on him. No movement.
How's that? Is that good? Right
Yeah.
there's good. Right there's good.
Right there. Stop right there. Watch. Hey, look up, look up.
Stay down.
Get down.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun. Hold the chair. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Hands. Charge your hands. Now.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Put your
Still has a fucking gun. Still in his hand.
Drop the gun.
Start EMS. He's still moving. Still armed.
All right, moving up on him. No movement.
Yeah. Right there.
Hey, down. Stay down.
Get down.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Hands. Charge your hands.
Now.
Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
Hands up. Hands up.
Put your hands out.
Stop now. Hands up. Drop the gun. Let's start EMS. He's still moving, still armed. Start EMS. Somebody with a shield.
No movement.
No movement.
How's that? Is that good? Right there is good. Right there is good.
Right there. Stop right there.
Stop right there.
Watch. Hey, look up, look up.
Get down. Get down.
Oh, respond.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Hands, charge your hands.
Now.
Put your hands out. Put your
Hands up.
Hands up. Hands up.
I think it's.
Left hand still looks like it gun's his left hand.
EMS around.
Drop the gun.
Get a shield up here now.
Watch the crossfire.
This is safe for EMS approach.
Hey, sir, back up. Get back inside. Back inside. Back inside. Yeah, he just shot at us. Get back inside. Go back inside.
We'll be with you when we can, sir.
You want to just move up on it?
I got him glove up.
Does he get? Shake his hand.
Can you see it?
You stay. Dude, we got your cover. Everybody else move. We got your cover.
Leave it. Well, okay, just drag him
Just
away.
pull him
Drag
away.
him away from it. Who's got an aid bag?
Who's
Throw
got?
some pressure.
Unit,
Just throw some pressure.
slow down.
Slow down.
It's safe for you.
Throw some pressure. Get EMS up here.
got-
EMS approach.
Now.
Now.
Units
Units blocking the road. Move for EMS.
We got it too. We got a bag. A medic bag.
Have EMS
You
approach.
EMS get here up here now.
Get medic bag.
Yeah. I'm just on that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody's good.
Do you need to do CPR?
I don't feel.
No.
22. I don't feel
He's 22.
Okay, at least keep doing CPR.